I was in a classroom with a dude who had that little hand and foot like this. Nigga named Chicken Wing. That nigga walked up. One time the police came and everybody ran, that nigga tried to run. Police was get his ass. Nigga was jumping fence, nigga. Did you see that nigga clear that fence? Little kids was, go, take it away, go! Here they come, there they go right there. Nigga was gone. The police caught him around the corner and tried to handcuff that little hand. Nigga was like, ah! And pull the hand back. His mother was like, we suing the shit out of y'all. That hand do not go back there. Jesus, please help him. He's laying on the ground crying. They ended up handcuffing the nigga to his belt loop. They nigga went to jail like this. Get your ass back in the back seat. Whew. Y'all think I'm going to hell for that one right